How to fix a login error on Bumble after password reset. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if you're facing login issues on Bumble even after resetting your password. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Fix login error on Bumble after password reset. If you're having issues logging into your Bumble account, but you've already reset your password also, so what are the steps that we can take? First of all, if we launch the Bumble app, there is an option called Quick Sign In. If we go to the Quick Sign In tab over there, we can choose to sign in using Google, Facebook, or our cell phone number. So if you forgot your password, right, one thing you can do is you can just log in using your Google account or your Facebook account or your phone number. So that way you'll only need to have a verification code that will be sent to your phone number and not necessarily a password. Now sometimes you might just want to go back and you can go to this quick sign in button. You can sign in using your other methods, but in most cases if you tap on continue with Google or so on, you'll be able to easily log into your Bumble account. If you're still facing some issues, it could be the issue with the app, so you can try to uninstall the Bumble app and reinstall it again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.